So here's one way to know whether you're a leader, Marcel, and I'll add maybe one other thing to this. So one way to know you're a leader is ask yourself, if you had no positional authority, if you don't have a title after your name, and if you have no budget and you have no sanctions, you can't punish or fire something, could you still get something done in your organization? Because leaders are people who know how to make a catalytic effort with others. And they do that not on the basis of positional authority, but on the basis of being able to cast the vision, on being able to bring people together, on being able to mobilize and motivate them. You know, Mary Parker Follett was the first probably great management guru in America, writing back in the early 20th century. And she said, the role of a leader is to create more leaders. And critically, she said, a leader seeks power with, not power over. So if you have today, if you have to use your bureaucratic power to get things done, you are probably eroding your real leadership capital. People are not going to trust you if you need to say, you know, we got to do it this way because I'm the boss, or my way or the highway. So I think we have to redefine leadership as not somebody who sits in a particular position, but people who know how to motivate, bring people together, coalesce a community, get them to do amazing things. And you really only know you're a leader ex post. When you look back and people say, gee, we couldn't have done that without Marcel. Like, Marcel was just like absolutely critical. Then you're a leader. But you're not a leader because you have a rank or because somebody in HR says you are in a leadership position.